I just came across them today because my daughter had put on a music video and I was like, wow, this song sounds really familiar.
My shade, Dior, my pants, velour, create, explore, expand, concord.
Now, I'm not someone who's musically inclined, okay? I don't really know much about music. I don't know how to play any instruments, but to me, those two songs really sound alike. In fact, I must have to say, I low-key think CORTIS copied it. But I don't know how that works behind the doors, right? I don't know how it works in the music industry. But for some reason, the K-pop industry, like, you guys have issues and the fans have issues too. Like, why can you guys not acknowledge it? You guys can't even give the respect of acknowledging it is insane. I honestly believe that someone needs to get paid, and you know what? The credit needs to be loud. Loud.